Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I've recently got my hands on this. It's the Mileseey DP20 Pro bilateral laser distance meter. I know that's a bit of a mouthful. What that means is it has a laser on either side that can be used to quickly take measurements of long distances. The DP20 Pro boasts a maximum measuring range of 120 meters, which is more than a football field, as well as Bluetooth app support and a huge list of features. I'll be breaking down all of these features in this video, so if this is something that you're thinking about buying, don't go anywhere. And just to put it out there, yes, Mileseey have sent me this device to review, but that will in no way prevent me from being honest with you, so you'll get everything in this video, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'll also have a link at the end of the video that will allow you to receive an exclusive discount in case you are thinking about buying this. The first thing you see when you actually open up the package itself is the printed instructions, and you're definitely going to want to keep hold of those. This meter does have a lot of features and modes that you're going to want to familiarize yourself with. Unwrapping the device itself, the first thing that struck me was the weight of this. I always think that's a good thing because it means you're not just buying a load of fresh air. There is some substantial tech within it that must be giving it that weight. Secondly, I really like the design of this. It reminded me a little bit of opening up an Apple product. The yellow buttons on the front were a nice contrast and really made those important buttons stand out. Just below the meter, you've got the included carry case, which is nice to see. Keeps it protected when you're on site and carrying this around. And then you've got an optional lanyard. Overall, my first impressions are favorable. I think the design is high quality, and I'm really interested to get started with the testing. Now, before we jump straight into testing, the first thing I did want to call out was the price. This does cost a little bit more than some of the sonic meters that you'll see being sold by people like DeWalt or Bosch, but the DP20 uses patented technology to give you a much more accurate reading. In fact, this thing is accurate to within 2 millimeters. So if you're measuring long distances where 2 millimeters isn't going to be a huge deal, this is great. And we'll see how it handles smaller areas in testing. I'm going to switch on the device by holding down this middle button here. And you can see that that's coming on. So by default, it's going to enter this mode, which is the bilateral measurement mode. So I can tap this and it's going to take a reading. It's going to give you the distance that this is from either side. On the left, I had an area of 1.6 meters, and on the right, it was just 0.7 meters. So you've got an understanding of whereabouts you are within that measurement as well, which is particularly useful if you're trying to find a center line. If I want to, I can click unit and I can change it from meters. All you Americans out there, I can actually have this in feet. So I can do this again. You can see that that is 7.74 feet. It also does inches, and it also has fractional inches as well. Another option you've got with this is you can just use one laser, and you can do that by holding down the arrow of the laser that you want to switch off. So you can see here that there's a laser coming out of this side and this side at the moment. I can go ahead and hold the right button down, and that's now switched off the laser on the right side. So this will now just be taking a measurement from this end, I should say, to wherever I'm pointing to. And I can do that now, and I'll show you. And you can see that the measurement has been taken. Other features, and you can scroll through these by clicking on the mode button here. You've also got area. So what that does is I can take a measurement of here, and then I can take a measurement of here. And you can see that that has taken both measurements and give me an area indicated by the little squared sign there. So this shed has an area of 4.34 meters square. You can also do volume. So this is going to give you a cubic area. So I'll just quickly do that. 1, 2. You can see that this shed has a cubic volume of 9.5 cubic meters. So the next mode is this angle finder. And what this does is it gives you a little degree of, so you can use it as almost as a spirit level, which is nice. The last mode here is rough height mode. And what this allows you to do is take a measurement from here, and then I can point it up. It's going to use the angle and a bit of Pythagoras to work out that the distance between where my laser pointed at first and where it ended up pointing was 0.7 meters. Let's test that and see how accurate that is. So I'm going to mark up on my shed, I don't know, 50 centimeters. So I know from there to there is 50 centimeters. So I can point it here and here. Not bad. 0.538, because it's reliant on the angle of your hand. I wouldn't rely on it to be 100% accurate, but it's good if if you're looking at a really tall wall or something and you need a rough idea of how tall it is. You can do it without whipping out a really long tape measure. Okay, so now I want to test how accurate this DP20 is. So first I'm going to use a tape measure to measure this long room that I'm in. I hope this tape measure is long enough. Trying to keep it straight, nearly there. 7.8 meters. Now let's see how the DP20 does. 7.803 meters. So that's good, top marks. So next I wanted to check it in a small space. Gonna put it right at the bottom here, press the button, and there we go. Measurement there of 0.442 meters. That's actually right. So full marks there. So one of the really nice features about the DP20 Pro version, you can actually pair it to your phone. So you do that by literally switching on the device. You're then going to scroll down and just search for your device. So click on that. So you can see that this one has been paired previously. And because of that, I've got all of my previous measurements that I've taken. It's also got a built-in notes feature. So if you're taking a lot of measurements, you can just jot down whereabouts you were. And then on the second tab at the bottom here, if I just select that one, I can actually go in here, click new, and then it is going to actually allow me to take a measurement of a room and draw that. I'm in a very basic room here. It's a rectangular room. I'm going to draw out the long side by clicking and dragging here, take a measurement. Okay, so I took a measurement there. So just select that line and apply that measurement to it. And then I will take a measurement in this direction. And then I will apply that to there as well. I can also then use the text tool to label this room. And this is a nice app. Certainly saves you jotting it all down on a notepad. If you're someone that's maybe sketching out the measurements of an entire house, I can definitely recommend using this. Yeah. It's nice. Now I've had the opportunity to actually run through all of its features. I did just want to outline some considerations that you might want to make. Firstly, it can be quite daunting when you first open the box and read through those instructions. Don't expect to open the box and be an expert straight away. It's going to take a while. Secondly, it's been quite sunny in the UK recently, and I have done some of my testing outside. And one of the things that I've really struggled with is the actual screen on the meter. It's a little bit hard to see in the sunlight. The OLED screen does a great job when you're indoors, but outside it is a little bit more difficult to see. Lastly, and it's a small criticism, but the app, I do think that it could have easily implemented some enhanced functionality, such as automatically calculating the area of the room, which I think would really elevate the usefulness of this thing to different types of tradespeople. To sum up, it's got a ton of features, it's really nicely designed, and it's currently available at a discount on Amazon. And if you use the voucher code that I'm putting on screen now, you can receive an additional 10% discount. If you can, please use the link in my description. That is an affiliate link, and I will get a small kickback from it, which allows me to produce more reviews and supports this channel. If you liked this video, please smash like, consider subscribing, and until next time, happy building.